Fine-Tune Learning has partnered with the College Board to build a remote learning platform that enables more than 3 million students to prepare for their AP exams. Here, students get support and feedback when and where they need it, all at their own pace. AP Classroom is a digital platform that helps students improve their performance in 38 different subject areas. Fine-Tune Learning has powered incredible capabilities that enable 180,000 teachers and 3 million students to engage deeper with their work and improve their performance, including an innovative workflow to administer and evaluate free response questions, a question authoring system with over 40 item types, a library of thousands of questions so teachers can focus on specific skills and topics, a reporting system that pinpoints where students need extra help, auto-scoring of both online and offline assessments, exam security that protects against cheating through browser lockdown, scrambling question order, and live status reports to the teacher. A professional learning platform with videos, assessments, and a credentialing engine that allows teachers to earn certifications at their own pace. All on a secure platform using best-in-class integrations, practices, and data security measures. We're proud to bring digital learning and authentic assessment to millions of students. Learn how Fine-Tune can help you drive the future of education.